Today I'm going to show you how I create my own clip art for OpenTshirts Designer. I use Corel Draw X6. You can use any version you have, as long as it's able to export flash files. You should be okay. And then SWF Quicker. This is necessary because this is what's going to create the flash file that OpenTshirts Designer will work with. OpenTshirts Designer unfortunately does not work with the flash file we export from Corel. Corel leaves a few things out that is kind of important, so you need the two. Back to SWF Quicker, I don't know if I mentioned, but you can purchase it. I think it's $80, $85, somewhere around there. I find it well worth the price. Okay, so in Corel, I'm going to be working with Bulldog 1 here. And first things first, we need to make sure that we have nothing grouped. You can see over here I've got a group of 5 objects. I need to ungroup, and I need to ungroup all. Everything needs to be in its own little object world. So there's that. Reason being, we need to group it by colors. And to find out how many colors we have here, I already know how many because I've already been here, but it'll show that we have 5 colors that we need to group. I've got a macro that kind of helps me with this, but I'm not going to use it for this tutorial. You can follow through a little easier this way by using the find, begin a new search, next, and I'm working with uniform fill. I want a specific color, and we'll start with this guy. Next, finish, find all, and group. And we'll edit that search and go through all of our colors. Let's go with the white. And next, we will go for the lighter gray. Group those. Edit the search. Next, let's find the orange. Find all and arrange group. And next, what do we have next? I believe the black, we haven't done that yet. Next, find all, arrange group. Let's see where we stand here. Yep, we got them all. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, each group being a separate color. So our next thing, we need to create an underbase. OpenTshirts requires a underbase if you're going to be using a full color design. So I will play by the rules. I have all groups selected. I hit the plus key to duplicate, and then Control G to group all those. Color the whole thing white. Bring it down to the bottom so we can see what we got. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It includes our underbase. Now we need to make these symbols. Flash wants symbols. So right click, symbol, new symbol. Name it what you want. I leave the default. Next one. These names don't really mean much. Let's say if you're inclined to rename them, go ahead. I'm just doing this basically to save time. I don't want to bore you. Symbol. Oops. Okay. And the last one, symbol. Symbol. Okay, one last thing. If you have just one object that's not a group, you still need to select that and make a symbol out of that. So everything we're going to deal with is going to be symbols. Alright, so I'm going to save this, and now we're going to do some exporting. I'm going to export. First we'll go with the JPEG export, Bulldog 1, and you want 72 resolution. Everything else can stay as it is. And next we will export our EPS. Bulldog 1 EPS. Everything can stay as it is. And next will be our Flash. SWF Bulldog 1 export. And the presets, I just pick that one, and then here I will pick objects. It helps center things in the designer. At least I think it does. You can try it the other way around, see if it works any different for you. And okay. And I think that's it for Corel. Over to Clicker. You're going to file new movie, and file import, and find our Flash file that we just exported from Corel. Open that bad boy up. Everything here can stay default. Okay. And we should have 6 layers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, I'm going to rename these here just because I'm going to save this whole project for future use. So let's see what we have here. This should be the black. Yes, that would be the black. If you want to make sure, just turn on or off what you got there. So I'm going to rename that outline. And a note about outline. If you're going to do just a one color print, you just want the outline, make sure that that is the second from the bottom. In other words, that was right on top of the underbase, which this one is the underbase. This outline has to be the second from the bottom. Otherwise, whatever layer you have here will be the only color option you'll have in OpenTshirts Designer. So if I had this layer down here, which is, what is this one? This is the shirt. If I had this as the layer right on top of underbase, this would be the only option I would have in a one color design, and that's not what we want. We want in this case I want the outline, this to be my one color design. So underbase is always at the bottom, then your one color layer would be the next. The rest of them can go as you wish. So let's see what this one is the pants or face. I'll name it pants. Let's turn the shirt back on. And this one is, yeah, this is the eyes. Eyes. And this last one should be the arms and head. I will name that arms. Alright, let's not lock that. Nothing needs to be locked. So everything's renamed, everything's visible, and now I'm going to save this project. And Bulldog 1, it'll give the SQF extension. This is the project, and that's that. So now we're ready to publish this. Export Flash Movie is checked. Publish settings, we want Flash Player 10, Action Script 3, everything else is good. Next, and we're going to save it where? We're going to just overwrite the export from Corel because we don't need that one anymore. So we'll just overwrite that file. And bingo, we're done. No errors, it's always a good thing. Now we will go to our OpenCart administration, and go to extensions, OpenTshirts, cliparts, and that'll bring you here. Go to insert and name Bulldog 1. You could any tags you want to put in there. I've been here before, so I'll just do this. You don't have to, for this to work, you don't have to have that there. That's just for search possibilities. Categories, I'll add that later. Right now, I'm just worried about the appearance. I'll go to upload vector, which is our Corel Draw. And then we will upload our vector EPS. This is optional. Don't have to have that there. And then our JPEG. That's for our thumbnail views. And then our flash file. And there he is, all pretty in black. So now I know that this first one is the underbase. Hopefully so. So underbase. This next one should be our outline. And next one, let's see, is that our shirt? Yes. And next, is it the eyes? No, it's the face. And pants. Pants. You can name it anything you want. Doesn't matter. Whoops. Wrong spot. And now do we have the eyes? Now we have the eyes. And last will be the arms. Oops. I think the arms are supposed to be the dark gray. Here we go. Okay, that's everything there. And save. And let's go to our storefront. And let's start designing and see if we have our bulldog. Let's say we'll put him on a gold shirt. Add clip art. And there he is. Select him. And he comes in as a 2-color. That's actually the underbase white. If you want to do the 1 color, do that and invert. And remember I said that outline layer has to be the layer right on top of underbase. This is why. If I had shirt right on top of underbase, then it would just be the shirt color that I would be able to work with. So we don't want that. So there you go. There's a 1-color design. See, colors use 1. You want the full color. There's the full color. And that's it. Work with them as you want. So next tutorial, I'll see if I can get those of you that don't have Corel and work with Illustrator, I'll see if I can get a tutorial going for you on that. Alright, have fun, good luck, and thanks for watching.